I really enjoy the hands-on work about it, getting to use my brain, use my hands and just make things move, make things work again. I volunteered to drive. I like to be the one who's making sure everyone's on the bus. It's great banter. It's a good start to your morning to just see everyone, laugh with everyone. After pre-start, start my day off by going into my locker and picking up my tools. I've got all the tools that I needed to do everything safely. I need to wash down the truck for safety reasons, make sure that no debris from the tray or anywhere on the machine will hit us while we're working underneath it. We're about to go work on a 3600 Hitachi digger. It happens in the field, we can get it done out in the field. It's a lot more efficient. If the machines are in good working order, then the mine's in good working order. The people I work with, they just inspire me to do the best that I can. The mining industry provides me an avenue to be able to seek out and do the things that I want to do. It's a very big rewarding experience. Never met a better bunch of people to be around. I love it.